Last week, as I shared in weekly analysis, that once you see gold trading beyond 1895 levels, there you can go short, and the target is going to be 1860, 1850, and below that also it can try to achieve lower lows. However, first it has achieved 1850 and bounced back nicely towards the end of the week, closing the week at around 1883 levels. What is going to happen next week, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts first, and then followed with indicators. At the end, I am going to give you the trading levels. So yes, I am Ankit and welcome you all to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions for gold. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new, let me share that I share my daily analysis of gold twice a day. Once first with the Asia cash session and second with the US cash session. Do not miss to watch the daily updates. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. And do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now let's start the day with the weekly analysis. See, look at this. Gold has achieved high, consolidated here in this zone and then a breakout. Is this a minor retracement or it is going to drop further and farther? We'll try to see. Now look at this, the candle size is diminishing in nature and in fact achieving the lows. It has tried to achieve high here at 1910. Now look at this, if it breaks this zone any point of time, if you see it trading above 1900 next week, you can go long. Definitely 1910 will provide a resistance and then it will try to come back till towards 1925 levels, which is going to give it a very strong resistance. 1920-25 zone is going to give it a very strong resistance, and beyond that it can try to fly again. Why we can see that there might be little bullishness? Because of the diminishing size in the candles, and also this candle at the end of a downtrend probably indicating that there could be a minor reversal or retracement on the upside. So once it trades beyond 1900, you can remain long till the time. And also 1910 is going to be important here because it may try to create a double top and drop, but beyond 1910 definitely it is going to fly high. That is what it appears. On the downside, if it opens flat and trades below 1878, there you can go short below 1878, but there is going to be a little support here at around 1870 first support, and then 1860 and 1850, almost every 10 points it has got its support. So I'll be cautious till 1850 levels. Below that it may try to achieve 1836 and 1820 levels. This zone at 1836, we have seen it getting giving very strong resistance, at the same time 1800 levels giving it a very strong support. So on the downside, these two levels are definitely something important for us to watch out for. Now whether it could reverse or not, let's have a look at the daily charts now. On the daily charts, first let's eliminate this is an error candle. Look at the previous two candles, lower lows, lower highs, and hence yes, in fact if you see it trading above 1891 levels, yes, you can go long there. Rather, I will say beyond 1895 you can go long. Then the target is 1900. Also look at this, lower highs here on this side, and hence 1902, 1903 a little resistance, and beyond that 1910, beyond that it will try to fly high. So yes, I'll recommend you to go long at 1895 itself, and beyond that yes, till 1910 there is going to be little resistance, and then 1920 will come into picture. Beyond that it will fly high. Also yes, this is a minor retracement candle. If you see it trading below 1878 here, you can go short for 1870 and 1860 zones. I'll give you the trading levels for the daily. Definitely that will give you a good picture. But yes, this bullish candle towards the end of the week is an indication that probably it may try to reverse back on the upside. So I'll be cautious till the time it remains above 1870 levels. Now let's come back to the monthly charts and monthly candles out there. On the monthly charts, it has achieved lower lows, and almost all these three candles are now in line and the lows are getting achieved. That is what is seen. Now if you see it trading, probably it may try to go back again towards 1900, 1910, and see, even if it has to achieve lower high, it can try to go back again till towards 1950, 1960 zone in the month of May. So yes, I'll be cautious. Once it breaks 1920-25 zone, it can try to achieve a high at around 1960, 1970 in the month of May itself. In fact, it can try to go back well beyond these levels. This is also one possibility which exists. Now let's have a look whether the indicators are also speaking the same language or we are getting a different view there. Now look at this. On the indicators front, you will find that now gold is trading below 100 period moving average, which is giving it a resistance at around 1895 levels. And yes, if you see, then there is a 20 period moving average which is giving it a resistance at around 1920 1925 zone, and then 1940 will come into picture with the 50 period moving average. At the same time, the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and on the downside the channels are going to give it a very strong support at 1840 50 levels. Now look at the daily stochastic. It is still in buy zone, it's still bullish. There is a, but at the same time we must not forget there is a variance. But however, see, the green line is trying to approach this zone and possibly looking forward to a crossover soon, and hence I'll be cautious in if and only if we get couple more green candles, then only we can expect that it is going to enter into overbought zone. Again it will try to act bullish. Now look at the MACD. What will couple of green candles mean to us is there is going to be a crossover. See, the height of this is diminishing, and probably if it crosses over on the buy side, again gold will go into the bullish zone. And that is why I say, see what will happen couple of days and it may try to break 1910 20 1925 zone, breaking which it will try to enter into bullish zone, and this will also bring the crossover on the MACD, and the stochastic will also try to act bullish more. Then probably we may see it hitting again 1960-70 zone in the month of May itself. So I'll be cautious there. At the same time, till the time it trades below 1878, and we can remain short. That is what also can be the expectation here. Now this is just on the daily charts. RSI is near to bottom. Now look at this similarly on the weekly charts, the 20 period moving average. This is the 50 and 100 period moving average, giving it a very strong support at 1850 and 1840 levels. So I'll be cautious and watchful of this. Only if it breaks 1840, one can expect that we may see a sharper drop there. And also look at this, the 20 period moving average at around 1900 may also try to give it a little resistance for the upside move. So in some, it appears that probably there could be a reversal which can be expected. That is what we can see here. And look at the monthly charts also. Similarly, it is trying to give it a little support out there. So we have seen the charts and indicators. Now let me summarize also. Lastly, we have a look at the 4-hour charts as well. On the 4-hour charts, we must not forget the last two candles which are similarly of specifically same in nature what we have seen on the daily charts, lower highs lower lows, and there is a pivot at around 1890 levels. And that is why I say once you see it trading beyond 1895 here, you can rather looking at this. In fact, if you see it trading above 1891 itself, you can go long, and then you can expect 1900 1903 1900 810 zone, and then it will fly towards 1920-25 levels also. This is possible. Now look at the 4-hour stochastic. This was overbought. This is on sell side right now. Probably couple more red candles can be expected. And if you see, the MACD is wide, not wide, it is running parallel here, and neither it is divergent. It is not indicative of anything. And considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next week. First, let's talk about the levels to go long. Go long at 1892.5 here. You can expect 1897 and 1900 and 1903. See, till here, very nearby resistances till 1903. After that, it will try to hit 1910 and 1920 levels. It can reverse any point of time till 1910, because this is going to be the double top for last week probably. So I'll be watchful here, and if it breaks this, sustains above, we may see it hitting 1920 and 1924 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit. It can try to fly high. How high it could go? It can try to hit 1940 and 1947. In fact, on the upside, there is going to be a very strong move which will try to take it towards 1960-70 zone. So this is one probability. First resistance and critical zone for upside move is going to be 1910, and then towards 1920-24 zone. This zone passing which gold is going to remain in a buy zone, in a bullish zone for the rest of the month, and one can expect 1960-70 zones again in this month itself. On the flip side, if you see it trading below 1877.5, here you can go short. The support here at 1872 is going to be important, and below that 1865. These two levels I'll be watchful of, and then 1860 and 1840 levels. First 1860, then 1850, and then it will try to go back till towards 1836. So I'll be watchful of these two levels. If it tries to, rather 1865 is also going to be pretty important out there for any downward move. These three levels are going to remain important. With the 1815, it will try to create a double bottom and bounce back. That is also a probability exists. And yes, 1865 levels also, this levels we should watch out for. In this zone, any point of time it can try to reverse back, creating higher lows and then bouncing back from there, taking it towards 1920. This is one probability which I am looking forward to, considering the last three candles and diminishing body size. I am looking forward to a reversal in gold trend, and probably we will be looking forward to 1920-25 zone this week, and probably beyond that one can expect 1965-70 levels in the month of May itself. However, I'll be sticking to this only till the time it trades above 1836-1840 zone. Below that it is going to enter into extreme bearishness. So take your positions accordingly, and yes, if you like and appreciate my effort, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Twice a day I share my update for gold. And yes, you can be part of my Telegram channel. Please join the channel. You can be part of my VIP signals group and also my mentorship batch. The next batch, training batch, is starting on 9th of May. Only 2 seats are left. Book your seats now. Trading as per the strategy taught will definitely help you become a proficient and efficient trader. Investing once will reap the benefits or profits for you for the life. So join the mentorship batch. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can be profitable. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My email ID and Telegram ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.